Shenzhou Chierda Electronic Cooperation Limited, founded in 1988, possesses a 20,000 square meters intelligent manufacturing base and team of 300 people, with an annual production exceeding 2 million units. Strict testing ensures the high quality, safety, and environmental friendliness of each product. We remain committed to technological innovation, with nearly 100 patents and copyright. Our products have obtained approval certifications, with certain models holding CE, IC, FCC, and RoHS certifications. We offer direct factory sales, providing first-hand pricing. Our professional after-sales service systems aims to provide value that goes beyond commodity trading. Through collaborations with several well-known entrepreneurs, our business spans 72 countries and regions, as we aspire to be a leader in the wider specialized network communication field. Guided by the values of passion, gratitude, innovation, and shared success, our mission is to enable limitless communication and eliminate geographical barriers. Chierda is committed to technological innovation, infusing the latest advancement into our products to create intelligent, efficient, and secure communication solutions. We specialized in developing analog radios, push-to-talk over cellular radios, tour guide radios, mobile radios, and more. This product integrated features like individual call, group call, broadcast, IP67 waterproof and dust-proof rating, frequency hopping, encryption, one-touch alarm function, and more to cater to diverse needs. Each product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure a 100% qualified factory output. Our cutting-edge audio processing technology guarantees clear and precise communication, making interactions seamless even in noisy environment and over long distance. Professional in industries such as construction, logistics, outdoor activities, and hospitality prize our products for enhancing team collaboration efficiency. As pioneers in the field, we remain steadfast in our commitment to technological innovation, enabling you to embark on an intelligent and convenient communication journey. At Chierda, we take immense pride in our team, as they are the driving force propelling us forward. Our leadership team boasts extensive experience with over 35 years of expertise in the field of tour radios. Our engineers are fueled by passion, consistently pursuing technological innovation to meet evolving communication needs. Our stringent production line ensures that each two-way radio meets the highest quality standards. Our sales team comprehends market trends, offering tailored communication solutions for our clients. Our customer support team stands ready to provide professional technical assistance and after-sales service, ensuring customer satisfaction. Chierda places emphasis on respect, mutual growth, and collaborative unit. The team diligently strives to pioneer industry innovation, constantly surpassing themselves to achieve excellence.